How to add songs to WhatsApp status. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your story. Tap and hold the capture button to take a video. Then, go to the top and tap on the music icon to add music to your story. You can choose a music from the suggestions under the For You section, or you can also search for the music you're looking for. Here, tap on a music that you like. You can now edit the length of the music. You can also choose how you want the song name and lyrics to be displayed on your story. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can further edit the story using the other edit options at the top. Once you're done, go to the bottom and tap on Your Story. You have successfully shared this as your Instagram story. Now, refresh the page and tap on your story again. Here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots as shown. Then, tap on Save. Then select Save Video. Tap on Save again to confirm. Now go back to your main menu and open up the WhatsApp application. You will then be brought to the Chats page. On this page, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Updates. Here, you can add a status on WhatsApp. Tap on Add Status. Now select the video you just saved to your camera roll. Then, tap on the Send button at the bottom right corner. You have successfully shared this video as your WhatsApp status. Tap on your status again to check. You can also see how many people or who viewed your status on WhatsApp. Following these steps, you can easily add songs to WhatsApp status.